Okay, Richard Trayview again, another episode of 3 Minute Mentor. Thank you so much for joining us again today. What I want to talk about today is really the ratio of positives to negatives in your life. So I talk specifically about the number 3 on purpose, so 3 positives. Every time you think of something negative, immediately think of 3 things that are positive. It'll change your whole entire world, it'll change your mindset. And it really starts when you wake up. We all know when the alarm clock goes off, oh crap, the alarm clock. Well, that's a negative. So you should immediately think of 3 positives. Number 1, thank God that you're alive for another day. Number 2, look at today as a great day. It could be sunny outside. It could be the perfect temperature. Who knows? You haven't got out of bed yet. And number 3, just think of the opportunity to accomplish all the goals that you want to accomplish in life. Another day. We're never promised tomorrow, so be thankful that you have one more day to strive for perfection. But remember that as you're going through, even in a great book called The Magic of Thinking Big, Dr. David Schwartz even talks about having a bank account of negative thoughts versus positive thoughts. You don't have to withdraw those negative thoughts at all. You can focus on only withdrawing from those positive thoughts, and that bank will eventually go out of business. So something to think about, but take that for granted. I hope this always helps anybody that watches these videos, of course. But remember, anytime that you find yourself thinking of something negative, and it's human nature to do that, immediately turn the switch and say, you know what? I've got 3 positives I can think about. Life is great, and I'm going to keep moving forward with a big smile on my face. I'm Richard Trayview. As I mentioned, I hope that helps anybody that watches these videos. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you like any of the merchandise you see, that of course is available at www.ritrclothing.com. Be sure to check it out, and we'll see you on the next episode.